This is okay guys, this is part 2 of the Blox Fruits video. This is the 5th time I'm recording because people keep ruining it. So yeah, one of the comments said, why didn't I get to level 700? I think he didn't understand my what's it called? Title. So yeah, I'm doing it video by video. If so yeah, I'm gonna be a sword main. So yeah, I'm kinda quiet today because I'm like recording this at 10 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, I guess this is part 2. I won't be talking that much. So yeah, just watch my gameplay. Yeah, I died. I should upgrade my health. So yeah. Hmm. The gorillas are still strong, so I don't know if I can defeat them yet. Just gonna go to. I'm just gonna try to get to level 20. So yeah, I'm laggy like the last video. But I'm recording this on mobile. I won't be posting that much today. Or yeah, tomorrow I won't be posting that much. Maybe. So yeah, I think that's for today's video. So yeah. The next video maybe I'll be like level 20. Bye guys, see you next time.